If you are looking for a family starter home in St. Albert for under $430,000, well, I might have the perfect option coming to the market in Deer Ridge. Located in North St. Albert, just minutes away from Costco, Deer Ridge is definitely a family-focused community. It includes 2 elementary schools and a high school, some wonderful parks with trails, and even an outdoor hockey rink. Welcome to 5 Dillon Place. Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, this 3-bed, 2 full bathroom home boasts over 2,000 square feet of developed living space. As you walk in the front door, the first thing that you'll notice is this large, airy living room with vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and a ton of windows letting in an abundance of natural light. This kitchen has been tastefully updated with brand new countertops and sink, subway tile backsplash, and refinished cabinetry. On the lower level, you'll find this big living room with a wood-burning fireplace to keep you cozy during the cold Alberta winters. If you want to see more great videos like this one, check out my channel and consider subscribing. Until next time, cheers.